I think sweet. What did you say? The TRX?
Yeah, hybrid.
Okay, so you got the 2-speed still on there?
Yeah.
Nice.
So is zip tied together.
Literally snapped in half the back, and we zip tied the pieces together, and it has been like that for weeks.
Don't worry. Probably not watertight, but zip tied. You didn't have those trusses on there.
Oh, I like that.
Trail truck looking, but come on, dude, you made that look way too easy. Oh.
I still think the next time we come out here, we should bring in like some kind of bridge and make a bridge across some gap. How bad that dropped?
You got it. Pro line shocks? What shocks are those?
Those are Element Duros.
Oh, no way. You got what, low-C springs on?
Have you got those tires spinning those wheels?
Huh?
Have you got those tires spinning those wheels? I did.
Yeah.
The Enduro ones?
Yeah.
Because they only bolt in the center, they don't bolt out the outer edge. I had them pinned in a rock down here and I spun them actually.
Really?
Yeah.
I tore a couple tires with these rims, but I haven't had them.
I tore a tire too as well
Yeah.
because it starts, I stopped, I use them for trail now anymore.
That's, yeah, so this is just kind of what these tires are on here for. My actual comp tires are on other.
Around. For the roast on 15 this morning.
What's the ridge?
You guys are all rigged.
Whatever. Oh my god.
Oh, great.
Different rocks too.
Is that all stock mostly?
Really?
Yeah. That's benefit from some grass.
I bought it full throttle into it. It jumps it pretty much.
Like the skid plates on
Yeah,
here?
that's really unloading in the rear. Wow.
You just catch it right.
See, that's the thing. Like, I like my sliders.
The skid plates?
Boy, more hair
The
back.
sliders on the sides?
I like the rear
skid plates, like
unloading because it keeps that weight down.
These get panicked.
So I'm of the belief that the lower
One thing you
up
do
travel
here,
you have and the more down travel you have, the
where these
better.
are mounted,
And
these sliders.
you limit that.
Shit. What the fuck is
How did I know he was there?
Literally no good.
Settle.
Yeah, and I added just a shit.
Oh, yeah, get it. Yes.
Let's see about wrestling. I'm like, oh my
Body, there you go.
I'm just gonna put the
Broke the rocks.
Did you?
Yeah, cracked it.
That's the same one that moved the rocket gym.
Yes.
Yeah.
Lifted a 50-pound boulder with a 10-pound truck.
Going right behind you, buddy.
See the rock?
I'll get out of your way, go ahead. No, let me try. Here's my angle. Oh. Sorry. Come on, you fucker.
Ooh, what the fuck? I'm losing juice in my battery.
Sounds like it.
The only way I can get the tires to clear. Oh, this is cool.
Just like fun.
That was funny. Never heard a hard body fall like that.
Yeah, if you
Well, it landed on the side. It was just like, like you dropped a solid block of metal.
very few people do this. It's pretty cool.
Get up there.
Slider chassis. I know you want to go, well, you got a taller body too, you're probably stay on the outside of that line. Right.
You're pretty good. I'm straight up.
Nice, there you go.
Yeah. I've seen it. Like just the way he's looking over though, is just he should just be like flipping you off. I hate the. I have them already with fly with the sunglasses on.
That's the enduro chassis, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think you could tuck under there a little more than you are giving yourself, you know?
Crush the body. The body is just kind of
You got to.
That's true, yeah, your body won't lift you under there.
Too easy. She is slick. Almost. Ah. There it is. There it is. This is literally
Point your axle right
Wait,
there.
did it?
where the truck landed.
Did it land on that
We
pointed rock?
thought so. We thought that that's where it could have landed, was on this, but it fell. I think it fell and landed on its side. Right here, and the
It's not bad today.
Yeah, there's
It literally sounds like a steam engine or like it's underwater.
It might be underwater.
My turn. Oh, not my turn.
I snaked your line.
Shit, you did.
I got mad because I didn't make it last time. She's slick, you're going to have to push her in ways you don't normally do.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to. I'm the only one here with 2 twos though, so I got them.
Yeah, you got the
got
tire
the clearance.
size advantage.
Is that dual spring setup you got there?
Yes, sir. This is my hybrid.
That's
Deluxe
super
fast.
droopy, bro.
Not as much as I used to droop.
I mean, but like, you're dead flat. There's no pushback on your rear axle.
Yeah. Transition too early.
Yep, you're slick. Ooh. I'm gonna set it right back here. Nope. That would explain some stuff. Why the hell is this thing going so crazy? There we go.
Oh man. I have like zero detection.
Come in!